Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Daily Electricals. So as of today, I'll be helping you change faulty fan regulators. Yeah, as you can see, this is not faulty though, but then I just wanted to help guys out. So first of all, this is how the fan regulator looks like. I mean, there are different kinds. Different kinds of fan regulators. So I think this is what I have here, and this is what we're using for today. As always, you need to get your tools ready. Always ready with my tools. You have your plier, your star screwdriver, as it over here, your flat screwdriver, and then also your tester. So without wasting my time, let's dive into the video. This fan regulator over here is very different. You see this over here? These are some covers that are very tough to remove, so you need to remove these ones before you get to the screws. Sometimes it gets very hard to remove them, so I'll try my best not to spoil anything. See how long it took me to remove just one. Whew. This is the second one gone. And we can have access to the screws. So now this is too big. Let's use it. Tester. It's a star screw. So yeah. Second one. So these are the screws and its components of, let me take them. Let's change it up. So let's take all the tip. So with this one, you need a black tip for all your joints. Please be careful when you're dealing with these ones. So what do we do now? This is the main power, so you have to be careful with it. And we are good to go. So with this one, anyone connects with can connect anyone to this cable, either of this or of this. It's all the same thing. So yeah, let's take note of that. Now that the old one is off, let's bring in the new one. So assuming this is also the new one, and then one thing you should keep in mind, the regulator should be the one that is fitted into a hole. Sometimes there are some you need to drill or let's nail it to the wall. It should be different from that. I mean, if you have to change from the one that is fitted into the hole to the one that is nailed to the wall, you should call an electrician for that one. Or if you can do that one too, it's cool. It's all the same. There's not much difference in that one too. So yeah, let's bring in the new regulator. So like I said, anyone for anyone. So this is the new regulator. You can see it over here. With the cables and everything inside here. So now let's do our connection. Other people say termination. Please be careful with this one because it's the main power source. So please be careful with it when you're working on this one. And also remember to always be safe. You need to put on your gloves. Pardon me, my gloves are all spoiled. So let's tape it up and proceed. And then now, here we go. So it's all taped up. So this one has no power. That's why you can see me using my hand. Please don't be doing what I'll be doing, especially like these ones. And when you have your gloves on, you can do that. So with the connection, let's tape it up. Again, don't be touching the bare cable with your bare hand. Done. If you can see, I'm done with the termination and count taping. Now you can put it on. Now let's fix this back into its original position. Like this. Screw it. And then also put this one in. So make sure the screw goes into its location or its hole. So let's check how it was before we took it off here. I think it's a straight. Now we screw it. Screw this one too. I think it's good. You don't need to screw it that hard, or sometimes forget to spoil the regulator. So let's be cool with it, and then we're good to go. Here we are, good as new. As simple as it is. And it is off. So that's fixing back the other things. These are the things I also took out. These are them, so let me fix them back. And let's push it back into its original position. Now the stubborn covers. These things give me a tough time. Let's fix them back. We are good to go. There you have it. So there you have it. The regulator is back functioning perfectly. You know, as simple as it may seem, there is a lot of work to be done before you get it working. So if you get it to this point, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe. After watching, make sure you share. Don't forget to revisit the page if you have any doubts or forget anything. I wanted to show you this, so let's put on the fan and see how it works. That's 1, 2, bit faster, 3, much faster, 4, that's also faster, that's 5. Basically, that's how to change your fan regulators. Maybe sometime I'll show you how to change your fan. Let's say you have a new fan and you want to change them. Yeah, that one to also be cool. So please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Please be safe. It's 2025. Let's take everything easy. Yes.